Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is NikkaNadia, and I'm here with my very dear friend Jasmina and dancing partner. Today, we are going to be doing a fun and sweet short choreography tutorial for you to the infamous Kiss Kiss song by the Turkish artist Tarkan. So let's get started by standing up nice and tall. I want your weight on your right foot and your left foot, I'm mirroring you, beveled up on your tiptoe. Then you're going to take your left arm and roll shoulder, elbow, wrist. Then your right arm, shoulder, elbow, wrist. Then taking 3 little snake arms. Da-na-na-na-num. Left, right, left. Again, we have shoulder, elbow, wrist, and snake, snake, snake. One more time, we have da-da-da-da-dum, bum, ba-da-da-da-dum. Good. Then next, we're going to rotate to the right diagonal with our torso and take our right hand and bring it to the back of the hand to the forehead. Like, oh my, I'm very tired. And we're going to take 2 camel down. So left arm is out to the side. We have roll down, roll down. Again, from center, starting from the beginning, we have shoulder, elbow, wrist, and snake, snake, snake. Rotate. Roll down, then we take 2 hip circles with just your left hip. So as if you had a pencil sticking out of the side of your hip, and you're drawing a circle on the space in front of you. By taking this hip, sweep it back, use your oblique to squeeze it up, let it come forward and down. So back, up, forward, and down. My weight is on my back leg, and that knee is just a little bit bent so that we can maintain our posture and we're not bouncing up and down as we do it. So again, from the beginning, facing the front together, we have da-da-da-da-dum, bum, ba-da-da-da-dum, rolling down and a hip circle. Good. Again, we have arm, and a 1, 2, 3. Roll down, and a circle, circle. Good. From there, we're going to practice just the body without the arms first. We step to center by taking this left leg and hip. We go up and over with the hip and down, and then right hip up and over and down. So we're doing a Maya, going over this figure 8 and letting that bring our torso to the middle. So we have over, over. Let's do it again. We have over, over. One more time. Stepping center, we have over, over, and then 2 chest circles. Around, around. Putting that together, we have over, over, around. Again, we have over, over, around, around. You can go either direction. We're going to the right. If you're mirroring me, you're going to the left so that it feels like we're going the same direction. But choose whatever you'd like today. Let's add the arms now. So we have our left arm coming up and the right arm coming up as we go over, over. So we were here with the little headache and the arm to the side. We said hip and hip. Then we go over, over, chest, chest. Again, from here, we had hip circle, circle, over, over, chest, and chest. Whew, let's try putting that all together from the beginning. Okay, we have arm, and a 1, 2, 3, and roll down, and a hip, circle, and over, over, chest, and chest. Finally, then we're crossing our left over the right as we bring our arms down to our sides. Unwind, turning around, bend your knees and lean forward to go mwah, mwah, giving each other kisses. So again, just from the over, over, then we had chest, chest. Take your left foot, cross it over your right. Unwind your feet, arms come down, bend your knees to lean forward. Mwah, mwah. Sending love to each other. Should we try it with the music? Okay, wait, no, just kidding. Let's try it first without the music, all of it together, and then we go through with the music. Ready? Standing up tall, smiling, we have arm and arm, da-da-da-da-dum, down and a hip, over, chest and across, around, mwah, mwah. Yay! Okay, you guys, let's give it a whirl. Getting our music ready. Here we go. And let's go for it again, so it's a bit more quickly, right, than what I was saying. Da-da-da-da-dum, bum, ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-dum, bum, ba-da-da-da-dum. Here we go. And yes! A few more times together, you guys. I hope you're having fun. Here we go. And so fun, right? One more time and then let's add on. Here we go. And woo! Getting warm, right? Okay, so we just turned around, bent our knees, lean forward. Mwah, mwah. We already have our right foot in front of our left, so now we're set up to come back up to standing. Weight is on your back leg, right arm out to the side, left hand behind your head. We're going to bump forward, back, shimmy, shoulders. Let's go from the crossing over. So we're here, chest and chest. Cross around, mwah, mwah. Forward, back, shimmy, shimmy. Again, from the cross, we said chest, chest, cross around, mwah, mwah, and forward, back, shimmy. Then we have coming to center, ba-da-da-da-dum-bum, ba-da-da-da-dum, similar to what we've already done. So we're stepping to center. Wait, how was it? Ba-da-da-da-dum. Oh, yeah. So it's a little bit interesting because we have to put our weight onto our right foot and then pick up our left foot to go over. Okay? So that's a little bit tricky. We said forward, back, da-da-da-da-dum. Step on this foot so that we can go over. Okay, so that's, again, this Maya stepping over and over, and we do it with the arm developing out as we started. So we have forward, back, shimmy, shimmy, step, over, and then he says, ah, and we go 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left. Over. You can do that with heels down or heels lifted, however you like to do your Mayas. So let's go again from arms up. We had chest circle, turn. Here we go. And around, cross and turn. And bump forward, back, shimmy, shimmy, arm, 1, 2, 3. Okay, again from that spot, putting it together. We have chest, chest, turn around, mwah, mwah, and forward, back, shimmy, shoulders, arm, arm, 1, 2, 3. Let's try that much with music, yes? So good for not just our body, but our brain. Let me cue up the music to begin. So I'm starting music at 1 minute into the song in case you want to continue to practice on your own. And we have a few moments before we begin. And arm, arm, da-da-da-da-dum, down, down, hip, hip, over, over, chest and cross, and forward, back, and shimmy, and over, over, 1, 2, 3. Yes! So as you can see, it actually just repeats again, so we might as well just tag on that last bit and throw it all together and then practice it through there. So after we have forward, back, da-da-da-da-da, step, we go over, over, 1, 2, 3. Then we just come back to here again and repeat as we did on the first side, forward, back, shimmy, shimmy. Again, arms down, cross, bend knees, mwah, mwah. Let's go from here. We have hip, forward, back, da-da-da-da-dum, bum, 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 1, 2, 3, and da-dum, bum, bum, ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-dum, bum. Yes, let's just go for it, ladies, and perhaps gentlemen. Having fun today? Here we go. Yeni adet gelmiş eski köye bak, dostlar mahvoldu. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püskül belam, yakalarsam. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püskül belam, yakalarsam. Ocağına düştüm yavrum, ocağına düştüm yavrum. Okay, let's keep going. That's how we learn it and get it familiar in our body. Take a big breath. Standing up tall. My ponytail's stuck. Okay. Here we go. Yeni adet gelmiş eski köye bak, dostlar mahvoldu. And seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püskül belam, yakalarsam. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püskül belam, yakalarsam. Ocağına düştüm yavrum. Ocağına düştüm yavrum. Okay, a few more times. If you have any questions, you can be sure to ask below. Let's go. Yeni adet gelmiş eski köye bak, dostlar mahvoldu. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püskül belam, yakalarsam. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püskül belam, yakalarsam. Ocağına düştüm yavrum, ocağına düştüm yavrum. Okay, here we go, one more time. And yeni adet gelmiş eski köye bak, dostlar mahvoldu. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püskül belam, yakalarsam. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püskül belam, yakalarsam. Ocağına düştüm yavrum, ocağına düştüm yavrum, sıcağına düştüm. so much for joining us, for dancing with us today. I hope you had so much fun. You feel joyful in your body. And thank you, Jasmina, for joining me. And you can follow her on Instagram below, and we will be back soon.